Today we're going to show you how to change your F550 Ford Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. So this is going to work for Ford 450 trucks. It's going to work for any F450 product, regardless if it's got a truck cab on it, maybe it's got a box cab on it, maybe you got a camper RV on it. Whatever you got, doesn't matter, as long as it's a Ford product with the F550. This is going to show you how to open up this key and use it. So these take CR2032 batteries. We've got a link to those in the description below. And the first thing you need to do is open up the key, and there is a little tab right here for the Ford F450 key fob. There's a notch right here in the center of the key. It's on the side with the Ford logo, and that's because this cover comes off. And all you're going to do is you're going to hold this in your hand. You're going to get the right angle here, kind of like we got with the screwdriver. You're going to put it into that slot, and then you're just going to push gently. And that's going to remove that cover for you for your Ford F550 key fob. And then you can see it's got that CR2032 battery in there. We're just going to pop our screwdriver in there, pop that out, and we're going to put our new CR2032 battery in. You slide it in. Goes into this end first where it's got that little ledge, and then you're going to put your cover back on. And now we're going to put that cover back on for our Ford F450. Now, one thing I know about Ford F550 users, I apologize for saying F450, is that most of you people are all using this for commercial purposes. You're hardworking people, you're hardworking folks. And I hope you enjoyed this video of showing you how to change your Ford F550 key fob batteries. But I got something to ask for you, because I know you're a hardworking person. If this helped you, maybe you can help somebody else. And the way you can do that is you can either subscribe or you can click the thumbs up. And what that does is it lets other people see this video. It helps the algorithm so other people see the video. And it helps me out so I can create more content for you on how to do stuff. And I know people like you are the kind of people that like to do things on their own. And so when we provide these kind of videos, we're just giving you an idea of where to start. You probably could have figured this out on your own if you looked hard enough, but saved a little time, saved a little bit of money, and you saved yourself from having to go to a dealership and cost you a whole bunch of money. And sometimes you never know what you get into when you're getting in there. And so we want to save you time. We want to save you money. We also want to help other people save time, money, energy, and effort. And we can give them the tools and enable them to help themselves. So when you give us that like, you give us that subscribe, or you click the links below, that helps support the channel. And you say, oh, it's a key fob. There's all a bunch of key fob videos on this. Yeah, but there's all kinds of other stuff we do. We show people how to use chainsaws. We show people how to use generators. And whenever there's a disaster, what I notice is I get a spike on how to use a chainsaw, how to use a generator. And that's because people, in their time of need, are coming and watching on the internet, seeing how to do something. So we're trying to help people out, and the way you can help me out is doing that. So I appreciate you doing that. I know you're all hardworking folk with a Ford F550. You don't have that. It's just a go-around town truck. It's a hardworking vehicle. So I appreciate you, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope this helped you out, and I hope you pass that along. We'll see you next time.